All right, question number one. We have a graph showing ocean tide data, and you can see how this graph kind of goes up and down, and that is basically what we call a cyclical graph. That's definitely something you want to remember for the future. And also remember that cyclical graphs can be easily predicted onto what's going on in the future. And that's essentially what this question is all about. As you can see, I'm graphing this into the future, and I would predict that it would continue to go up and down like that. Now, what this question is asking is, when will the next high tide be? So into the future, right here, what time would that actually occur? And as you can tell here, this is April 7th. This is midnight on April 7th. So this is April 8th, the next day. And the high tide would happen not very long into the future, a few hours into the future, in the very early hours of the morning. And so I can easily eliminate some answers that would be PM, because you know it's not into the evening or the afternoon of the next day. You know it's in the AM hours, and it's not very far into the future. In fact, if you actually do the math here, this amount of time from here to here is approximately 12 and a half hours. So 12.5 hours or so into the future from here would end up being somewhere around 3 a.m. So the answer is number 3.